Hello everyone, Grandpa here. Tonight I'm going to be making whipped cream. We're having strawberry shortcake for dessert and I need some whipped cream. I'm using Organic Valley whipping cream. Put the heavy cream in the bowl. Put my mixer down. I have my whisk on. We have to mix it up for a few minutes until we see it's nice and thick. Three-minute mark. Raise up our whisk and looks like our whipped cream is made. Looks perfect. I don't want to mix it too much or else we're going to be making butter. This is perfect for my strawberry shortcake. That's how easy it is to make whipped cream with this mixer. How does it taste, Grandma?
Let you know in a minute, Pa. Looks delicious. So refreshing. With the whipped cream and the strawberries and the cake. You did a great job.